Beautiful large one bedroom in Forest Hill. This is entrance. It's the living room, a large living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. It's a dining area for the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. A lot of kind of space. Comes with a dishwasher. Windows in the kitchen. It's the coat closet. Linen closet. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with two big closets. There's one here, another one here. It's the bathroom, all renovated, very clean. Beautiful tiles. Linen closet. Beautiful apartment, elevator building. Laundry in the building. It's a doorman building. Apartments only half a block from the express train, the 71st Continental stop, the E train and F train, and M&R train, LIR train. And it's a few blocks from the famous Austin Street. Apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.